Euclid's division lemma. This is the first topic that you are supposed to learn in class 10. For that, first take up some definitions. One is algorithm. An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of problem. Example, let us take three numbers a, b and c. We have to decide the greatest number amongst a, b and c. For this, the algorithm will be step 1, write the numbers a, b and c. Check whether a is greater than b. If a is greater than b, then check if a is greater than c. Now if a is greater than c, write a is the greatest number. If step 3 is false, that is a is not greater than b, then check if b is greater than c. If b is greater than c, write b is the greatest number. If not, write c is the greatest number. Diagrammatically, we can illustrate the algorithm as under. Just see this. Taking a equal to 5, b equal to 7, c equal to 3. Is a greater than 5, 5 greater than 7? No. The control transfers here. Is b greater than c? Yes. 7 greater than 3, so greatest number is b. You can just check taking a, b and c for other numbers according to this algorithm. Next term is lemma. A lemma is a proven statement which is used to prove other statements. Example is Euclid's division lemma. What it is all about? Given two positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a equal to b into q plus r. R ranges from 0 to less than b. That is, r can be equal to or greater than 0 but less than b. This can be explained in the following way, as you have learnt in division algorithm. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here a is dividend, b is divisor, q is quotient and r is remainder. The example is divide 119 by 8, we will get quotient as 14, remainder as 7. So by Euclid's division lemma, dividend is equal to 119, that is a, divisor is equal to 8, that is b, quotient is 14, that is q, and remainder is 7, that is r. Now Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division lemma provides us a stepwise procedure to compute HCF of two positive integers. This stepwise procedure is known as Euclid's division algorithm. Let us take an example. Find HCF of 455 and 42 using Euclid's division algorithm. So 445 is divided by 42 in the first step. The quotient is 10, remainder is 35. Next step, 42 becomes the dividend, 35 is the divisor, 1 is the quotient and remainder is 7. The last step, 35 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient, remainder is 0. Expressing it in Euclid's division algorithm. Here this is first step, 455 is the dividend, 42 is the divisor, 10 is the quotient and 35 is the remainder. Next, 42 is the dividend, 35 is the divisor, 1 is the quotient, 7 is the remainder. Then last step, 35 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient and remainder is 0. Thus HCF of 455 and 42 equal to 7. How to identify from Euclid's division algorithm which one is HCF? Let us have this discussion here. From the above example, you conclude the HCF of two positive integers is the divisor at the last step. Here divisor last step is 7 and or the last non-zero remainder. Here this is the last non-zero remainder 7. So divisor last step is 7 and so HCF is 7. Also the last non-zero remainder is remainder at the second last step, that is 7. So HCF is equal to 7. Now based on these discussions, let's have a simple assignment using Euclid's division lemma. Find HCF of 405 to end 12576, 135 and 225. If the HCF of 210 and 55 is expressible in the form 210 into 5 plus 55y, find y. Just go through the Euclid's division algorithm, find the HCF and answer these two simple questions. Thank you.